The bedroom is caved in, the roof ceiling's caved in, everything's fallen down.
A Wentworth couple was trapped in their home for nearly 24 hours after a tornado with maximum winds of 110 miles per hour ripped apart trees. That home actually belongs to Wentworth's Mayor Pro Tem Evelyn Connor. She had to wait for crews to cut a path so she could leave her home. Fox 8's Tyler Hardin was there as crews removed those debris.
Crews spent several hours removing branches from the roof. Branches like these, take a look, they now have a tarp over the master bedroom. If we look down here, that's actually pieces of the roof that crews had to rip away to get those branches out, actually using a crane. Walk with me to the backyard. You can see just trees down everywhere. Snap trees, uprooted trees. Evelyn told me that there were so many trees across her yard and in her driveway that she actually had to bang on pots and pans to alert first responders to where she was inside the home.
Nobody could get in and we couldn't get out if we had an emergency.
For more than 3 decades, Evelyn Connor and her husband Sonny have called this house on Robertson Lane in Rockingham County home. Friday night, their property ended up in the path of an EF1 tornado. Forecasters say it traveled almost 8 miles. When the weather calmed down, this is what was left.
The trees were stacked and twisted, 10 feet tall.
Evelyn's long driveway ended up covered in trees. One came crashing through her master bedroom. Another one landed in the sunroom. She shared these pictures she took of the damage while she sat trapped inside her home.
I watched the limbs and the trees, and I heard them say that they thought there was a funnel forming on the west side of Wentworth. And I said, okay, it's time to go.
She grabbed a first aid kit and rushed to the basement with her husband.
It was the scariest I've ever been in my life.
The howling wind put her on edge. She told Fox 8 at one point it blew open these French doors.
I was at the bottom of the stairs and I prayed. I prayed to make it through, and we did.
Once the storm passed, she went upstairs and found her home ruined.
You could hear the trees still popping and cracking. And then with the trees on the house, we didn't know if they were going to come through the other end. I mean, it was terrible.
Debris, glass, insulation scattered everywhere. She also had huge holes in her ceiling.
One whole frame with the casing was sitting in the floor in the sunroom.
Crews used cranes to take branches out of the roof Sunday. There are days worth of work needed here and likely months of repairs to the home. As Evelyn put it, things that can be fixed.
It'll work out. We can always build another house.
Really everywhere you turn, you can see those downed trees. And if we swing around here, take a look at this tree that was uprooted. It just shows the sheer force of that storm from Friday night. And thankfully, emergency officials tell us that no one was injured. In Wentworth, Tyler Hardin, Fox 8 News.